Hey, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Sandra.
What phone are you using?
A Galaxy S25 Ultra.
What's wrong?
The zipper's stuck.
Mind if I show you something on your phone?
Sure.
Long press the power button. Tap the icon here. Now, I'm gonna turn on the camera, then you can ask it for what you need.
How do I fix this?
Looks like the teeth aren't meshing properly. Try using some wax or lip balm.
Oh, I've got lip balm.
Great. Now apply some on it.
Okay. Where exactly?
Apply it to the zipper's teeth and move the slider again.
Okay. Oh my gosh! It worked! Cool tip. Thank you so much.
Happy to help.